top shelf drink to set me straight, and a little bit of honey to make this go away. Don't even chew her prey, just swallow me whole. It's just a little bit of heartache, but that's just how it goes. It's just a scratch, a little water in the tank like a flat. Oh, I'm tired that you changed, just a bad dream, but I gotta wake up, let it go. Mommy, keep on coming, I can use a blackout. Give me something to drink, cause I don't wanna think. But now, knock me right out, filling me up, dishes out of my mind. Looking at my confidence and talking to a stranger. She told me to leave, and goddammit, I see her point. It's time to go home, I know. But when I close my eyes, I can bet my money it's her I'm gonna see, and it ain't that funny. Sugar sweeter than pie, until a little time flies, you see what's on the inside. Man, you're gonna feel like you wanna cry. She's a bad song, it goes on and on, like it's non-stop, but I'm holding on. She's a bad, bad dream, gotta wake up, let it go. Mommy, keep on coming, I can use a blackout. Give me something to drink, cause I don't wanna think. But now, knock me right out, filling me up, dishes out of my mind. Looking at my confidence and talking to a stranger. She told me to leave, and goddammit, I see her point. It's time to go home, it's time to go. But when I close my eyes, I can bet my money it's her I'm gonna see, and it ain't that funny. No, it ain't that funny, yeah. It's just a scratch, a little water in the tank like a flat. Old tire that you changed, it's a bump on the road you're traveling on. It's just a scratch, a little water in the tire like a flat. Old tire that you changed, it's a bump on the road you're traveling on. Mommy, keep on coming, I can use a